So usually when I'm casting, the cast is in a sealed form, but today we're going to cast in an open mould. We start by packing the green sand into one of the mould halves, making sure it's compact. We add a small layer of flour to help prevent the mould sticking to the sand. As per usual, we're using an aluminium ring sizer for the mould. And we press it all the way into the sand. To remove it, I tap with a spoon to help loosen it and carefully take it out. We can now melt some silver and pour it into the mould. There's a bit of excess, but that can be removed and reused, so it's no problem. There's also a shallow part of the ring, but we can work with it. So the next stage is filing and grinding. Lots of filing and grinding. And after filing down, we can see the shape the ring is taking. After sanding, we can polish the ring up. And there you have it. Definitely not as good as a closed casting, but we made it work. Well, that's it for this video, so I'll see you next time.